to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the brand called Vivaia. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but this is not a sponsored video. I'm just reviewing one of my favorite boot heels. So I'm gonna go right to it. So if you don't know what Vivaia is, I guess they're like I want to say European brand. I'm not exactly sure, but I randomly saw their boots, I guess like on this influencer that I really like, and I was kind of like, oh, that's like kind of different. It doesn't look like, you know, a normal boot. It kind of looks like a sock boot and it looks really comfy. So I decided to look it up. The price range was a little bit, I guess, on the pricier side, but since they're boots, it's kind of like self-explanatory. So I ended up purchasing the round toe chunky heel boot, and they look like this. Hi, Ellie. So they look like this. Super cute aesthetic. I love the color. You can't even tell they're like made out of sock material, but look how flexible they are. It's kind of like a knit material. I sprayed them and so far so good. Haven't been wearing it in the rain, but these are super comfy and it's not too hard to put on. They're very like stretchy, not as stretchy, but like stretchy enough to like put your whole foot in. I have flat feet, so these are pretty narrow, but overall, like when I've been wearing them out, they're actually not bad. Like my feet are actually really comfy and I feel like I wear them all day. So apparently, unfortunately, these ones are sold out, but they did come out with, I guess, like different heel aesthetic. Like it looks a little different. So it doesn't have just like, you know, this like chunky round heel. They have like a square one now. And then the materials are made of ethical wool and plastic bottles, which is super like great. That's them being sustainable kind of pushed me more towards to get it. And then it's anti-microbial and breathable. And unfortunately it is not machine washable, but I don't think you would really want to machine wash, like, because the bottom is like plastic. Apparently they're made out of Breathable Upper soft eco-friendly latex insole. So far I haven't really got them dirty. Maybe there might be like a little dirt on the side, but apparently all you have to do is take like one of those soft brushes for cleaning the shoe and simply wipe them, either I guess with like soap or water. But overall, super cute, and I will show you guys what it looks like on. Curious about them, I would say that they're pretty good. I've seen that they have like flats, they have loafers. All of them are super cute and sustainable and sell out so quick. They always have like these buy two like get a discount, or they have like Valentine's Day discounts, Christmas, and I hope to buy more in the future. They're super comfy and definitely won't let you down. So I hope you guys like that little quick review of the shoe. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll hopefully have the answer for it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.